Good morning, children. Open Term 2 textbook, page number 168, EVS 4th lesson, Protection of Food. As our body grows, it requires strength to do more work. That's why we eat different kinds of food every day. Whatever food we are taking, it should be clean and safe. The food we eat should be clean and fresh. Food and water should always be kept covered. Flies sit on food that is kept open. When flies sit on garbage, dirt sticks to their legs. This dirt has germs in it. When the flies sit on our food, the germs get into our food. Dust also settles on uncovered food.
The food gets spoiled because of the following reasons. If the food is uncovered, then flies may spoil the food. The food gets spoiled due to the dust present on it. If the plates and spoons were not washed properly, then food becomes spoiled.
If we eat food that is not clean, then germs and dust will enter our body and make us sick. So, we must always eat clean and fresh food and drink clean water. Look, children, gems are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. Next page. How can we keep food clean? Dirty hands have germs, so we must wash our hands before we touch food.
Wash hands with soap and water. Use warm water if it is available. Rinse hands thoroughly and dry using a clean paper towel.
The utensils used for cooking must be washed well before cooking in them.
Wash dishes, utensils with hot soapy water to prevent from spoilage.
Fruits and vegetables that can be eaten raw should be washed well before eating. Vegetables, eggs, meat, rice and pulses must be washed well before cooking. Rinse the fruits and vegetables before eating because the bacteria may enter our body. Wash them under cold running water. Food must be kept covered to protect it from insect and dust.
Cover food with lids to prevent both flies and dust from spoiling the food.
Water must be stored in clean vessels.
We should store water in clean vessels to avoid infection or entry of bacteria.
Food must be stored in airtight containers. Airtight containers do not allow air, dust, or insects to come in contact with food. Airtight packaging does not allow bacteria, and also airtight containers prevents the foul smell of foods. Food is a source of energy for all of us. Spoiled food is major cause of diseases in humans. To avoid this, food needs to be preserved in variety of ways. Let us know what is the definition for food preservation. Food preservation is the technique to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning, etc. Preservation means to keep food fresh for a longer time. Some ways in which we can preserve food are as follows: refrigeration, boiling. Next page.
Refrigeration. Food products get spoiled because of various germs. So, to avoid this, we should store food at low temperatures. This process is known as refrigeration. Refrigeration helps to preserve food for longer period. Refrigeration stops the growth of bacteria by preventing the food from getting spoiled.
Milk, eggs, meat, fruits, vegetables, and cooked food get spoiled quickly. Such food is stored in a refrigerator. Germs cannot grow in very cold places, so We keep food items inside the refrigerator to preserve them for a longer time. Spoiled, decayed or having lost freshness. Refrigerator, a device that is used to keep food and drink cold, also called fridge.
Boiling. We boil some of the food items. Boiling kills germs and thus boiling makes the food germ free. Milk and water are often boiled to kill any harmful microbes that may be present in them. So, milk should be boiled before storing to kill many bacteria. And also, boiling is the best way to make delicious and highly nutritious stock out of meat and vegetables.
Boiling means to heat water or milk till bubbles are formed and rise to the top. Boiling kills germs. Milk and water should first be boiled and then cooled before drinking. Look at this picture. This is boiling. Children, in page number 171, some exercises are there. First one, match the following. Match column A with column B. First, see. Housefly carries germs. So, here you write number 2. Next, vegetables must be washed well before cooking. So, here we write number 3. Next, refrigerator to preserve food for a longer time. Here we write number 4. Next, boiling. See, right here number 1. Next page. Tick the correct answer. We must always keep food and water covered, open, indoors, outdoors. First one is correct, covered. Next, dash contains germs that spoil our food. Boiled water, dirt, fresh food, milk. That is correct. We must eat dash food. Dirty, clean, dusty, old, clean. We can preserve food by boiling and refrigeration, washing, eating, frying. Which one is correct? Refrigeration. Next, water and milk should be dash before drinking. Frozen, boiled, cooked, kept open. Boiled. Next bit. Put a tick mark if the sentence is correct or a cross if it is wrong. First one. When our hands are dirty, they have germs. Correct. The utensils used for cooking have to be washed only after we use them for cooking. Wrong. Food must be stored in airtight containers. Right. Germs cannot grow in very cold places. Correct. Water should be refrigerated before drinking. Wrong. Next, answer the following questions. What settles on food when it is kept open? Answer, dust. What is the process of keeping food fresh for a longer time called? Answer, preservation. Name any 2 food items that get spoiled quickly. Cooked food, milk. Name any one way of preserving food. Answer, refrigeration. Why do we boil milk? Answer, to kill germs. Thank you, children.